students, in this session we are going to discuss GDI. GDI, that means gasoline direct injection system. Okay, see, in the last class we discussed what are the types of injection system, fuel injection system in SI engine, okay, spark ignition engine, and there were two port injection and manifold injection, that we have already. This is direct gasoline direct injection system. Here, see here, so many sensors are being used. Suppose this is the cylinder. So this is nozzle, high pressure nozzle, and fuel is coming to the cylinder directly. Direct injection, okay, so fuel is coming through the nozzle, that is at very high pressure. They are having ECU, electronic control unit. ECU, okay, so electronic control units, and they are having so many sensors. Sensors may be, remember that intake temperature sensor. Number 2, air fuel measure sensors. Emissions sensors. Another so many other sensors will be also there. Okay, see, by the help of electronic control units and the sensors, here what are the advantages of this system are? See, advantages are high volumetric efficiency, because so many sensors are being used and electronic control units are there. Okay, so better air fuel ratio here, and direct injection, gasoline is direct being fed into the cylinder, so better air fuel ratio. Now high power at economical condition, that means less specific fuel consumption, okay, that is called economical condition. High power is better. Now starting is easy. Emissions are reduced. Okay, see, what are the advantages? Gasoline direct injection system, they are having electronic control units, so it gives you the high volumetric efficiency, and there are so many sensors, intake temperature sensor, air fuel measure sensor, emission sensors. Okay, so that gives better air fuel ratio, high power at economical conditions. Starting is easy. Cold starting problem is reduced. Okay, so high power at economical condition, starting is easy, emissions are reduced, that is exhaust conditions are better here in the direct gasoline direct injection system, and cold starting problem is also reduced. What are the disadvantages? That system is costly. Okay, because so many sensors are being used, okay, and electronic control units are there, that is why this system is costly. Requires more maintenance. So more parts are there, definitely maintenance cost is mode. Okay, so this is all about our GDI. So let us sum up what we have studied in this session. Gasoline direct injection system. As the name, gasoline is the fuel for the SI engine. Remember, SI engine. And SI engine, generally fuel is injected by the carburetor, but direct carburetor cannot supply the correct air fuel ratio to the cylinder. That's why it is not being used. That drawback we have already seen in the last class. Here, this GDI system having lot of electronic control units as well as sensors also. So sensor may be intake temperature, exhaust temperature, air fuel mixture sensors. Okay, another so many sensors will be there that will be measuring, and accordingly fuel is injected directly to the cylinder. That's the name is GDI. Since it has all the control units, electronic control units and the sensor, what are the advantage of this system? That is high volumetric efficiency, better air fuel ratio, high power at economical condition, that is less specific fuel consumption, starting is easy, emissions are reduced, remember, and cold starting problem is also not there. And the disadvantage means this system is complicated because so many electronic control units are there, sensors are there, so system is costly. We have to spend a lot of money for this. Requires more maintenance because this is lot of parts are there, definitely maintenance cost will be this. So this is about the GDI. And another best option for the fuel injection in SI engine is multi-point fuel injection, MPFI. That is better solution because in all cylinders fuel is being injected through the solenoid injector. That gives the better performance than this GDI also, and it was basically used for the aeroplane but nowadays it is used for the light automobile vehicles also. That gives the better performance than this GDI. That MPFI I will discuss in next class. Thank you.